If you want to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A57, it is pretty straightforward. First of all, we're gonna open the Play Store. Over here in the Play Store, we're gonna use the search option at the bottom of the screen. Then we can use the search field at the top. And now we need to enter the name of the app, which is of course WhatsApp. You can of course use suggestions that appear after typing part of the name of the app. And then in here, we should be able to find the WhatsApp Messenger option. You can use the install button in here on the right side, right next to the app, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find the install button in this place. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, as long as you manage to install the app. Now, of course, we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on our phone. And once it is installed, we should be able to open the app straight away by using the open button in here in the Play Store. You can also, of course, automatically open. As you saw, there is a switcher for that. There we go, we have the open button. You can also go to the app drawer and you can find the app in here. And sometimes you can also find it on the home screen if your phone actually adds new apps onto the home screen automatically. In my case, it doesn't, so I can use the app drawer, of course, in order to open WhatsApp. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.